Namaste. Welcome to all. Today we'll discuss about by implication. It is a compound statements formed by combining two or more simple statement by using a connectivity if and only if. Okay, let me write this. If and only if. Okay, the symbol for by implication is this. Okay, red as by implies. The condition is by implication is assumed to be true when both statements are true or both statements are false. Okay, let us discuss few examples. One second. Examples we'll discuss. First example we have that factor theorem. C. Okay, we know that if p of x is a polynomial whose degree is more than 1, then first statement they have given is p of a is remainder. Another statement q they have defined as x minus a is factor. Okay, here p by implies q, how we will write, we'll see. Okay, here by implies you can write, or if and only if you can write. Okay, if p of a is remainder, then x minus, it implies if and only if x minus a is factor. Okay, here two things are there. See, by implies means, okay, if it has to satisfy two conditions. If p of a is remainder, then x minus a is factor. What is the another condition you have to prove is, if x minus a is factor, then p of a is remainder. Instead of writing these two statements, we use by implies symbols. That is how by implication is useful. Okay, one more example. See what we are discussing. One more example. If triangle 1 is equilateral triangle, then it is one more statement we have defined, that is triangle 1 is equiangular triangle. Okay, p by implies q, how you can write, if triangle 1 is equilateral triangle, if and only if, I can write if and only if, or I can use by implies symbol. C. If it is a equiangular triangle, equilateral triangle we know all sides are equal, all three sides of the triangle are equal. Equiangular means all three angles are equal, their measure will be equal to 60 degrees. Okay, this is how we write by implication. Okay, next we'll write the truth table. C. Okay. If two statements are given, what are the truth values? Both statements can be true. First statement is true, second statement is false, or first statement is false, second statement is true, or both are false. See, these four possibilities are there. Now we are going to write p by implies q will write, and also we'll write q by implies p. Okay. See, when based on condition, when this by implication will be become true, when both statements are true or both statements are false, then it is true. Remaining other cases, it is false. If one true and one false is there, then the by implication statement will be false. Similarly, q implies p. Both q and p, when it is first statement q is true, second statement is q is true in first case, in last case both are false, then only it will become true. Remaining cases, remaining other cases, it will become false. If you observe the truth values, they both are identical. See, if they are identical, they are equivalent statements, no? Okay, what it means, therefore p by implies q is equivalent to q by implies p. Therefore what you can declare, what is our conclusion, means by implication satisfy commutative property. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.